Student, we studied Apollonius theorem. Now using that we will solve some examples from practice set 2.2. Question number 1. The question is, in triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint of side QR. If PQ equal to 11, PR equal to 17, PS equal to 13, then find QR. Okay. So according to the given statement, we will draw figure. We will draw triangle PQR. In this triangle, S is the midpoint of side QR, and then we will draw segment PS. Okay, so let us start with the solution. First we will write the given part. In triangle PQR, S is the midpoint of side QR. So we know the definition of midpoint. Midpoint divides the segment into two equal parts, or midpoint bisects the segment. So according to that, here we will get QS equal to SR equal to half of QR. Give here statement number 1. Now by Apollonius theorem, we will get PQ square plus PR square equal to 2PS square plus 2QS square. Okay, remember students, instead of QS you can write SR because QS and SR are equal. Okay, PQ square plus PR square plus 2PS square plus 2QS square. Now substitute values. Values are given in the question. So 11 square plus 17 square equal to 2 into 13 square plus 2QS square. Now make square. 11 square is 121 plus 17 square is 289 equal to 2 into 13 square is 169 plus 2QS square. Now 121 plus 289, 410 equal to, now multiply this, we will get product 338 plus 2QS square. Okay. Now this 338 we will take on left hand side. So we will get 410 minus 338 equal to 2QS square. The subtraction is 72 equal to 2QS square. Now we will take this 2 on left hand side. So it gets divided. So QS square is equal to 72 upon 2. So its division quotient is 36. QS square is equal to 36. So now take out square root. QS is equal to 6. But we have to find out QR. So from this first statement we will get QS is equal to half of QR from 1. Therefore QR is equal to QS into 2. And QS we got 6. Therefore QR is equal to 2 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 12. Therefore QS is equal to 12. This way we can apply Apollonius here. Now second question. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 10, AC equal to 7, BC equal to 9, then find the length of the median drawn from point C to side AB. So according to this given part, we will draw figure. We will draw triangle ABC. Then from this point C, we will draw median on side AB. We will give name P. CP is the median. So we have to find out the length of this segment CP. So we will start the solution with the given part. In triangle ABC, segment CP is the median to side AB. So that means this side AB is bisected. Therefore, AP equal to PB equal to half of AB. And AB is given 10. So half of 10 is equal to 5. So AP is equal to 5. Followed? Now we will apply Apollonius theorem. According to that theorem, we will get AC square plus BC square equal to 2CP square plus 2AP square. Substitute values. values are given in the question. 7 square plus 9 square equal to 2 CP square plus 2 into pi square, AP equal to 5. So make squares. 49 plus 81 equal to 2 CP square plus 2 into 25. 49 plus 81, 130 equal to 2 CP square plus 25 to the 50. Now take this 50 on left hand side. So we will get 130 minus 50 equal to 2 CP square. Now 130 minus 50 we will get 80. So 80 equal to 2 CP square. Therefore CP square is equal to 80 divided by 2. 2 we will take on this side. So 80 divided by 2, 40. So CP square equal to 40. Therefore CP is equal to square root of 40. Now 40 is not a complete square. So find its factor. 4 multiplied by 10. And the square root of 4 is 2. Therefore CP equal to 2 root 10. Now student, in question they didn't ask find CP. The question is find the length of the median from point C to side AB. So we will write the answer according to that. Therefore the length of the median from C to side AB is 2 root 10. Followed? So students, such type of question carries 3 marks. Followed how to apply Apollonius theorem. Understood?